Hi everyone, I'm Sanjay H Davey, Senior GM, looking after engineering services and marketing services for Sentini Flo Pipes Private Limited. We are group of the Sentini Group based at Hyderabad, and Sentini Flo Pipes is manufacturing plant is at Nellore near Tirupati. With the capacity of 45,000 metric tons per year, both extrusion as well as injection molding. We have reputed machinery like Thyson, Rolepal, Cabra, and Moila machinery with us. And our product range from Agri, SWR, UPVC, ASTM pipes, CPVC pipes, as well as casing pipes for groundwater extraction, column pipes, and we are also into conduit pipes and fittings. We distribute our products all over India, right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. We have more than 300 distributors with 30,000 end customers who are happy with our products. We are going to double our capacity by this next March financial year end 2025. We are looking forward for major expansions in future also with other products like MLCP and DCW and any other products which helps us to sustain market for PVC pipes and products in this country, India. Thank you very much.